In this video, I'm going to show you how to install Kali. So Kali Linux, to install Kali Linux, you have to search Kali in your browser. So there you can see Kali Linux. The first, it is kali.org. Click that button. So you can see the download option here. Click the download option and you can see virtual machines here. You have to click the virtual machine. We are downloading Kali in the virtual machine. So click in that. So you can see a lot of options here. So we are using virtualbox. So here is the option you can download. Yeah, the download has started. I already downloaded the Kali Linux, so I just canceling this. Okay, you have to download this. Okay, the next step what we want is the VirtualBox. So open a tab and search VirtualBox. When you search VirtualBox and click the enter button, you can see Oracle VM VirtualBox here. Click the Oracle VM VirtualBox. There you can see download VirtualBox option. Click the download button. And if you're using Windows, Mac OS, whichever OS you are using, you can download whatever you want. I'm using Windows. I'm clicking here Windows host. So it's downloading. I already downloaded that also. So you have to download these both of the files. Okay. Okay, after downloading both of the files, you have to download an extractor to extract the zip. You can download 7-zip or WinRAR or some kind of extractors, but I'm here using WinRAR to extract files. So search WinRAR in your browser. You can see WinRAR download free and support in the first winrar.com. Click the option. There you have an option to download WinRAR. Here, I'm clicking that option and there will be buy WinRAR, there will be download WinRAR. I'm clicking download WinRAR option. So the download is still not started. So let's wait. There will be some, would you like to do, yeah. So here, there's an here option. Let's click it. I don't know what is happening. So it's not downloading. So thank you for downloading WinRAR. If your download doesn't start within 5 seconds, click here. So I'm going to click here. Yeah, it's downloading now. WinRAR is downloading. So I'm clicking WinRAR and I click yes. To install WinRAR, just click yeah, install. That's it. And click OK. That's all. Click done. That's all. You have successfully installed WinRAR. The next thing that you want to install, yeah, you have to download it, right? So the VirtualBox is the next thing that you have to install. Okay. So VirtualBox which you already downloaded, double click that. There you can see an option. Click yes. And you have to press enter next option. So I already installed VirtualBox, so I'm not repeating that steps. So you can click next in all the steps and finally you can see finish button. Okay, you have to install VirtualBox in that manner. So after that you have an option called what we downloaded is Kali Linux, right? So there will be the .7 set file. So I'm using WinRAR to extract the zip file. So click right click in this button. You can see WinRAR option here. There will be extract here options, right? Click the extract here options. So WinRAR will extract this file soon. Okay, let's wait some time. The extraction is now completed. So you can see a folder here. Double click that and you have to double click this blue button. Okay, when you double click this blue button, your machine will come in Kali. You can see I already installed the Kali Linux in virtual machine. So I'm not repeating the step. It shows can't open machine because I already installed it. Okay, if you when you double click that blue button, then it will open in this virtual box, so you don't have to worry about it. And when it open, it looks like this Kali Linux 2024.2 the version number, right? So there will be an option called settings, right? So click the settings button. Okay, when you click the settings button, you can see a lot of options here. So you have to go to system and click the motherboard. So there will be, you can specify how much amount of RAM you are giving to this virtual machine. So I'm specifying 4 GB, that is 4096 MP. Okay, so don't make it in the red. Okay, always keep at least 4 GB for better performance. So I am assigning 4 processors. I already assigned this. So you have to assign processors as you want. So don't forget, don't apply full or don't apply something like in the red button. Okay. So assign something in the green. Okay. So I'm assigning 4. So the next thing you have to change is the network. So the network will be in NAT. So I already changed it. So you have to click it into bridger. Okay. So when you are done everything, then click OK. So there is an option for start. Click the start button to start the Kali Linux. Okay. You have to wait some time, and before that you have to note something called the username and password. Here in the mouse pointer you can see the username is Kali and password is Kali. So note this down. So our machine is now going to open. So let's open our machine here. Here. So our machine will open soon. So just wait some time. Okay. So Kali Linux is booting up. So you don't have to do any kind of installations here. This is the only simple way of installing Kali in your machine. So there will be an option like this. So you have to enter KALI Kali will be the username and KALI password will be the username. Okay, this is a simple way of installing Kali in your PC. Okay, you are now inside the Kali. So thanks for watching this video, guys.